All right, this is at the Marriott downtown Omaha. I don't know what these are. These might have been modernized. Yeah, these are actually something modernized.
Going up.
Okay. It's actually interesting. I didn't expect these to be... I thought this was a newer property. These look like they were modded, though. Yeah, wait. It's time to check the certificate. What are these? MEI. Oh. Maybe they weren't a mod. Yeah, maybe these are actually what they were. No, these aren't a mod. These are original, I think. So weird. I'm used to seeing this as a mod. Huh.
Second floor.
Pretty nice. Anyway, well, this looks just like the lobby. I like these doors. Yeah, these look like something much older. But I guess they're new. In that case, I like it. Anyway, that's it.